In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up user roles in QuickBooks Online Accountant. Setting up the right user roles keeps your firm organized, secure, and efficient. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to invite a team member and assign the right access so they can do their job without seeing more than they need to. Start on your QuickBooks Online Accountant home screen. Look toward the upper right and click the settings icon, the small gear. This is your central hub for firm level setup, so it's the quickest way to get to user controls. From the settings menu, choose Manage Users. This page lists everyone who currently has access to your firm along with their role. It's also where you can check statuses like active or pending, which is helpful when you're tracking invites. Next, select Add User. This opens a simple form to create the new team member. Think of it as a quick profile that also ties the person to the proper permissions. Enter the first name and last name so their profile is clear and easy to recognize. Then add the work email address where you want the invitation sent. Double check spelling here. A typo means the invite won't arrive. It's best to use a unique, individual work email rather than a shared inbox, so you always know who is accessing what. Now click to select a role. This is the most important choice because it controls what the person can see and do. Pick the role that matches their responsibilities, whether they need full administrative control, standard access to daily accounting tasks, read-only reporting, or time tracking. When in doubt, apply the principle of least privilege. Give the minimum access needed to get their work done, and you can always expand later if required. If you're unsure which role fits best, think about the tasks they'll perform. For example, someone handling reconciliations and transactions may need standard accounting access, while a manager approving timesheets might only need time tracking. Reports-only access works well for stakeholders who just need visibility without the ability to edit. Once everything looks good, click Send Invite. QuickBooks will email the user with a secure link to accept and set up their sign-in. Until they accept, you'll see their status as pending on the Manage Users page. If needed, you can come back here later to resend the invite or adjust the role after a discussion with your team. That's it. You've opened settings, gone into Manage Users, added a new user with their details, chosen the right role, and sent the invitation. With user roles set thoughtfully, your firm stays secure and your team members can focus on the work that matters.